Stamperia has a new paper pack. It's called Patchwork, and it is a 12 by 12 collection. Now, like all of theirs, there are 10 double-sided papers inside. And last Christmas, we had a Make-A-Wish that had this type of patchwork look, and we thought it was just perfect to make an everyday one. So as you can see, we've got papers that are all over. Home sweet home. It takes hands to build a house, but only hearts can build a home. Just beautiful work. And there's the back side of it. Here we have create, imagine, dream, love, hope, and wish. Really beautiful artwork. You can see it in the primary colors that are used, lots of reds and blues. Now, this is the beginning of the 64 cutouts. One thing I noticed is that there are borders, so don't be afraid to use those. And these are just beautiful, wonderful for card making, perfect on planners and albums too. The back side is a little bit plainer, perfect if you want to write or stamp something. Life is good with a cup of tea in your hands. Anything is possible. I'll vote for that. And on the back side, now here are more cutouts. They're a little bit smaller and just as beautiful. The back side is also plainer. And there's an all-over pattern, just perfect for, again, cutting apart or doing scrapbooking. Here's the back side of that with flowers and rulers and more patchwork. More cutouts, as I said, 64 is what I counted. And the back side of that, again, in the primary colors with reds and blues, some cream inside with love. And we've got a stripe. We have an all over, laugh, love, and smile. And then another background, and then the ABCs, and then some blank ones. The back side is an all-over pattern. Fun how they meet up in the center, and isn't that lovely? Now, this is the patchwork. I just want to make sure that you know that there's rice paper that coordinates with it. There's actually 3 sheets. I have 2 of them here. So wait till you see what the design team has done with the patchwork collection from Stamperia.